In this video, I'm going to show you how to introduce the Montessori stamp game. And here I have a wooden set. You can also use a printed set that I have available. So to start with, it's important to know that the Montessori stamp game is designed as a bridge to abstraction. So children start out with the concrete material, which is either the Montessori golden beads, or if all you have are the yellow base 10 blocks, that is more concrete than this material. But you don't want children using the hands-on material forever. So when they are ready, they transition to the stamp game, which is a little bit more abstract, but it still is concrete enough that it can support their understanding. Okay, so to start with, you would go back to the concrete material and say, this is 1. This is 1. This is 110. This is 110. This is 100. This is 100. And I don't actually have my thousands cubes with me, but you would then place down the thousands cube and say, this is 1,000. This is 1,000. Okay, and then you could leave it at that. It's pretty straightforward. You could follow it with a 3-period lesson if you like, but it's probably not necessary. All right, and that is how to introduce the stamp game.